Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Scott with the Cornhole Collective. Welcome back for another video. This time around, we're going to make building boards a whole lot easier for you. If you've made boards before, you know that getting a perfect 6-inch hole and getting these corners rounded, if you've ever tried that before, those can be a huge challenge. So this is the easiest way that you can get a perfect hole and rounded corners with a tool you probably already have, using your router. So let's get started. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our template. This is a flush 6-inch template, and we're going to trace our holes onto our decks. This way we know exactly where the holes are going to be when we cut them. Next, we're going to lay our template down and then put our board right over the top of it and make sure that the sides and the top are perfectly flush with the edges of your board. Clamp that in place to make sure that nothing moves. And this is a flush trim spiral bit. You'll see a link down in the description below. And you can order this for your router, 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. And because it's a flush trim bit, it has a bearing on the end. So we'll drill our pilot hole, and then we're ready to cut. Don't forget ear protection. Having the pencil marks for your hole helps a lot. It tells you kind of where to put pressure. Be careful not to put too much outward pressure. You don't want to snap your bit. Now we're going to loosen our clamps and just make sure that our corners are perfectly aligned so that we can flush trim these corners as well. simple as that. So if you're interested in getting your hands on one of these flush 6-inch hole and corner jigs, see the description down below. Really depends on how many people want to order these things, but they won't cost too much and we'll get it shipped right out to you. So see the description for instructions on how to order down below. Also, all the tools that I used in this video, you can find links down below. And if you use our Amazon links, it helps the channel a bit so we can make more cool videos and make your boards better, make them easier to build. Don't forget, head over to Facebook and join us there. If you have any questions at all or want to inquire about these jigs, you can also find me on Facebook. All right, everybody, have a great day. Talk to you later.